Legends, welcome back to the channel. John here. How you doing? You okay? Just checking in, making sure you're all right. Back with another Proton Satria video. It's the gift that keeps on giving. In the previous video, you can see that we painted the wing mirrors and all around the doors and the wiper arms, and it's come up really well. We have already cleaned out the offside wheel arches and Dad has repaired the rust, and you've seen that video too. And in this video, I'm going to clean out all the wheel arches on the near side, make sure there's no rust or rot. We'll be able to take a look at some of that mud that I've already dislodged today, because if you remember when I bought the car, well, it was about 6 inches of Lincolnshire mud underneath all the wheel arches, and I've given it a bit of a clean out already, but there's more to do. Why am I doing this? Well, not only is it so we can check out the mechanical workings on this side, but it looks better, right? And we need to get all that mud out of the arches. And then I want to tetraseal, my favourite thing, all underneath the car. I've bought a Temu chassis cleaner. It's cost about 25 quid. It's not arrived yet because it's coming probably from China. So I'm going to be impatient and do the best we can with this. There might be another video of me using the chassis cleaner. Anyway, in this video, we will clean out the wheel arches and get rid of some of that mud from underneath the Satria. Afternoon. How you doing? You okay?
I'm waiting for you to crack on, Gromit.
Yeah, I know. You've got the car sort of in sport mode ready for me. I thought it was going to tip over.
Off-road mode.
When we were doing this. It's sort of off-road mode.
That's it.
What's the plan?
Plan is you're going to wash that squad off.
Yeah, I'm going to clean it. I'm going to jet wash it, clean all under the wheel arches, with a view of, in a separate video and a few days later, taking the wheel arch liners out and doing it again. Yeah. You've had a mechanical look at the car whilst I've been putting the kettle on. What have you discovered?
Check the back brakes, they're all right. They're not seized up. I've had the front brakes to bits previously.
Okay, so you've had the front brakes off.
I've cleaned the stripped and eased them, yeah.
Yeah, they look all right, don't they? The pads there, they look okay. The disc obviously needs a good old clean, but that'll clean off when we actually use the car, when we take it rallying. What about the back? Have you had the...
I whipped the drums off a few minutes ago and had a quick look at the brakes.
Yeah.
Cleaned the dust out.
There is quite a lot of squad already on the floor. What have you done here?
Flake that up for you, chuck it everywhere.
Yeah, I am. So basically the plan is to get all in here, get the jet wash all under there. As I said in the introduction, I've ordered a chassis cleaner. It's not arrived yet, but yeah, you can see all under here just what it looks like. It's very dirty, but mechanically
it's not bad.
It's not bad at all, is it? No. There's the dint that we've sort of semi-pulled out as well. That's gone. And if you haven't seen the previous video, well, take a look at that. Now look at that. Whew. And those as well. Right, less yakking, more cleaning.
Good idea, mate.
As always, we're doing a bit of a tag team. So Dad is cracking on with the wheels. He's going to give them a good old scrub. What you got there? Bleeding wheels. Our intention is to paint those wheels. They are the original paint on there, on the Steelies. The actual tyres as well need a really good clean. So all the mud that Dad has already dislodged, I'm going to sweep up, because the last thing you want to do is, well, get that all blooming wet and on the driveway. Brush all this out first and foremost as well. While it's nice and dry. Crikey. Squad are us. That's why you need to clean underneath your wheel arches, look. Look at all that. Core blimey, there's a lot of mud under there. That's cleaned all the fuel box, fuel tank. You all right? What's up? There you are, mate. Black Lion, that well-known brand. Should have had me blooming waders on for this job. I genuinely can't believe how dirty it is under there. What's that?
The other side was twice as bad.
Yeah. Right, so I've just given that a bit of a clean underneath there. It's like a mud waterfall. Crikey! That's clearing out some dirt. Oh, I'm not done yet. Right, let's move on to that while that's drying. Here's the fun bit now. I get to actually foam underneath the arches, which I've never done. In fact, I've not done this for a while. Right, snow foam. This is the first time I've used snow foam on this car, underneath the arches and with this pressure washer. So, need to get my mix right, really, because Dad's not got his mix right. There we go. There we go. Right, Proton Saga. Oh yeah, check out the snow foam. Foamy. Foam us. Bit of rot in there, mate. Nothing exciting though. Okay, so snow foamed off, jet washed off, and we can now see all inside these wheel arches. You can see that I'm going to have to Tetra seal all that. That's not rot though, so that's good news. That's all clean, that's all good, that's all good. And under here, well, is all good too. Look at all that. A little bit of rot there, which we're going to have to do some exploration on, but nothing that I don't think is fixable. There you are. Let that dry off now. We're looking good. Bit of bonus content. We're taking off the original number plates from the front and the rear. They'd all corroded on. Dad's in the process of taking them out. We can see what's behind them. They are the original ones, Mark Campbell. Now, I don't like them with all this gumph on. Mark Campbell, GB, etc, etc. So I'm going to get some made up without that on.
I disagree with that.
Do you?
Yes.
Why?
It left the dealership like it.
It did leave the dealership with these number plates. Mark Campbell.
Was he a Proton dealer?
Yes, yeah, Proton and Perontua. But, well, I can get a set of retro plates made up by retro plates. They're expensive though, mate.
They ain't bad.
They're about 50 quid for a set. So at the moment...
Spend that on a battery.
Exactly. So at the moment, I'm going to spend that on a battery and not on some number plates.
Well, what do you take them off for then?
Well, comment down below.
Put them back on. Save yourself money.
Comment down below, replica dealer plates, yes or no? Let us know. They are going to cost us £50. £50!
Why don't you go to Halfords and get something that says Halfords?
I wouldn't go to Halfords and get wind for me tyres, let alone some number plates made up. So comment down below, yes or no, replica dealer plates. This, by the way, is what they would look like. So, yeah. Well, that's not too bad at the back, though. Anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment down below. What do you reckon? Satria, Proton Satria project, enjoying it or time-wasting waffle? Till next time, have a great day from Dad and I in the garage, whatever you're getting up to. See you later. Goodbye. There are so many more Proton related videos on the channel, and I've actually selected a couple that I think you might like here on this page. Give them a click to watch them now. Don't forget to subscribe for more Proton fun and lots more videos coming soon.